Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a really dramatic black winged liner with glitter, and it kind of reminds me of like a goth Jessica Rabbit. She's super cute, super fun, super fresh. I'm priming my lids with my favorite Plouise eyeshadow base to start off this look. I don't really use eyeshadow in my crease too much for this look, so you could probably do without the base for this, but I didn't really know which direction I was going, so I just did it anyways. I'm using my classic horror eyeshadow palette from LASplash Cosmetics. Look at how freaking cute this is. Oh my god, it's all mattes, and it's like the rainbow, and there's a black in it, and it's just a perfect palette. I really have no complaints, but I started adding the black shadow first, and then I realized maybe I should like draw out what I'm doing, so I used my KVD Vegan Anti-Precision Liner. I love this stuff. It does not crease. Whenever you do a smoky eye with this, like, you're set in stone all day, baby. Like, there is no creasing with this pencil. I'm so obsessed with this liner. But I am creating the shape that I want, which is like a really giant, crazy, insane winged liner. And then I go in and start packing down that LASplash Cosmetics black shadow from the classic horror palette, and really start kind of cleaning up that line with the shadow and this little tiny brush. This brush is one of the Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice brushes that they came out with earlier, like last year or sometime. I can't remember exactly when, but it's just like a little tiny pencil brush, basically. Then I take a makeup wipe and I just clean out any of the black shadow that any fallout, and I'm going in with my Makeup a Murder liquid liner, and I'm gonna really make this winged liner nice, precise, and crisp. I'm just outlining the whole thing. I'm not gonna color it in with the liner. I'm literally just outlining it so it's nice and precise. And I'm taking my time with this too, guys. Don't rush yourself when doing this. I also like to set my elbow on my vanity or my table in front of me, and also take my other hand and hold my wrist while doing something precise like that. That always helps to make sure I'm not too shaky or I won't mess up. I'm using my Urban Decay Glamrock Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, and I am literally just packing it all over the black shadow. This is so beautiful. Like, in the lights, it just hits the lights, and it's just so stunning and sparkly, and I'm so obsessed with this look, you guys. It's just so cute. And I'm using my Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz, highlighting my brow bone. I did take a tiny bit of this like dusty rose, very light color, and I put it like in my crease above where I drew the winged liner, just a little bit, hardly anything though, just to set that P. Louise base because I didn't want it to be sticky. Anyways, I used my KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Liner again on my lower lash line, smoked it out with the black a little bit, and then I'm going in with my Makeup a Murder liner again and just creating a point on the inner corner there. I added a little bit of glitter to the bottom as well, and now I'm going back in with my Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz highlight, and I'm just highlighting my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my Cupid's bow, you know, all the normal places. Yes, ma'am. I did my hair, put some earrings in, and I'm going in with the Spoiled Cosmetics Lash Monthly box. This is in collaboration with Michelle Hart. Look at how cute it is, but I'm using the middle pair. This is the brand that I did my eyeshadow palette with, you guys, and you can use the code sydneynicole to still go get my palette. It's still available. There's not very many left, though, but she's going, so go get you one while you can, okay? It's called Glam-O-Ween, and if you haven't seen it, I have tons of tutorials here on my YouTube channel showing me using it. Yes, ma'am. I popped those lashes on, and I'm doing a little liner to just a tight line and make sure everything's blended together. And then this is my favorite, well, one of my favorite lip duo combinations, whatever. This is from LASplash Cosmetics. It's called Corinthian. It's a lip liner, but it's called the Architect Lip Sculptor, and it's in the shade Corinthian. This is like the perfect, like, dead nude. Like, if you want to look like a corpse but like glam AF, like, this is what you do. Okay, use Corinthian, and then I'm going in with a classic horror liquid lipstick from LASplash as well. This is in the shade Mummy, and this just gives you like, it's just so perfect. I love, this is my favorite kind of nude, okay? But that's it for this tutorial, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I really feel like Jessica Rabbit, like a goth Jessica Rabbit, right? Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.